We're talking about how to level up yourself from a redeemed mindset.
I feel so much better, Mr. Medical Science type person.
Growing up as a kid, I've always wanted to have things in abundance.
Oh.
I've always wanted to have much wealth, which is just all I need to sustain as a living thing. Believing that I have to level up myself, then I started doing things other people does. Doing all sort of things that everybody is actually doing. And now coming to the realization of how much we've all wasted our 20s. And I believe 99% of us believing leveling up is all about using expensive things.
Mommy!
It's part of what is taking away our time and which is just rendering us useless as youth. Leveling up yourself is not just about your attraction. Leveling up yourself is not just about how you have the pink lips.
I just want to give you a big hug.
It's all about your personal life and your mindset. Level up the way you think and level up how to think about positivity. And using all of those expensive things is not actually what is bad about it. The fact about it is, can you actually sustain the living you are trying to quit for yourself? If no, quit it. You don't just start the race. You plan before you start the race. Most people blame the system or the government for whatever they are facing in life. Most people blame the school, most people blame religion for the things they experience in their life. The issue is just that you don't really need to blame the government for anything that is happening to you. You have control to the things of yourself, not to the things of the world or not to the things of the exo world. What is the meaning of exo word? And the story is actually now changing. You really need to do what it takes to get what it wants. The sun that is shining is enough for the clothes that is outside to dry. Bad thoughts are just like poisoning. It's just like poison spreading through your hand, and the only thing you need to do is to cut off this hand, not my hand. It is just like you need to stop this thoughts from spreading to the next generation, and that is just part of what the gospel that I've been spreading is all about. And that is it. So I want you to like this video and give it a thumbs up. You haven't done that yet. Like the video and give it a thumbs up because it actually supports with YouTube helping with the algorithm, and everybody actually finds this gospel. Share your own experience on what you think leveling up is all about, apart from your beauty or your finance or any of those things. Your mindset is actually the prerequisite you need to level up first before leveling up how attractive you are. I actually have like 101 subscribers right now on YouTube, and I am thanking all of you guys for doing this. A round of applause for everybody that has been supporting the channel, and I want you guys to keep it up, spreading the gospel, and I love you all.